When arriving for your service appointment at Winslow BMW, please proceed to the service department garage doors. These are the 3 roll-up garage doors located on the left or north side of the building as you are facing the dealership. As you approach the service drive, look for any bays with a green arrow above the roll-up door, indicating that they are open. Slowly drive towards the door and it will open automatically. Once the door has opened, pull your vehicle into the bay, proceeding forward to the next available position to park. A service advisor will then greet you and begin the check-in process.